Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO interview tutorials. I hope you guys are doing well. Do share, subscribe the channel and also watch out the playlist wherein you can find the videos regards to the Six Sigma certification, then the quality analyst related video, then preparing the Excel dashboards and the tricks which we are using in our daily job for the leads and the quality as well as for the trainers. So welcome back. Today we came up with the one more topic which is DESO technique for the effective feedback. Guys, this technique is very effective when we are giving a feedback in a different manners. Like some people gave some QA gave the feedback in aggressive manner. Some QA will give feedback wherein they will be very fast while giving their observations. Sometimes you may find the QAs wherein they give the answers, but the other person who is taking the feedback will not understand the things very clearly. So there are many reasons wherein the QA get failed in sharing the feedback very accurately. So DESO technique, which helps the QAs or trainers or team lead to give the effective feedback wherein they are moving to the aggressive manner. So how they can reduce this aggressive feedback and they can go with the assertive feedback, or else they can give the effective feedback at the end. Let's start this particular topic and let's have an introduction on it. So the line between being aggressive and being assertive is thin. More than 35% of the world leaders are taking up assertive leadership. Assertive feedback, which means giving a feedback in a very accurate manner, or else we are giving a clear feedback to the associates. Moving from the aggressive to the assertive mindset and managing the team is little difficult. Hence we came up with a technique which is known as DESO technique. So guys, this technique basically help us to understand how an aggressive feedback can be converted into the assertive feedback, and the associate who is taking the feedback will get the knowledge and he will understand the thing very clearly. So guys, this is not only for the associate level. When a lead is giving feedback to his particular QA, or a team lead, a manager is giving feedback to the team leads, so it may be useful at all the perspective. So what is DESO? DESO stand for describe, express, specify and outcome. Let's start with one by one and understand what is the use of it and how we can get exact result at the end. Describe. So let's start these particular points with the help of an example. I am a quality, for an example, and I am giving feedback to the associate. Or else you are a trainer, you are giving feedback to the associate. Or else you are a quality team lead or a operation team lead, you are giving feedback to your particular operator or quality analyst. So there is some mistake happened wherein we are giving feedback to the operator or the associate. So what is that you want and why? So here we will describe the associate to the person who is taking the feedback, that so what will happen if that issue or that problem occurs, or if you make that particular mistake. Because of this particular mistake, there will be a bottleneck for the other team members. There will be a deadlock, or there will be a dead issue for the other customers. For an example, we are giving feedback wherein associate did not give the apology. So if the person is very critical, wherein a customer is very irritated, that at that time if we don't give apology, what will impact to that particular customer, so we need to describe in such a way. Then express how you feel about the situation or a behavior. I'm feeling unsure and blindsided by this particular delay, so I'm telling my particular QA that because of this particular issue, I'm feeling very bad, I'm feeling blindsided because of this delay and customer got impacted. So these are the certain ways to give the feedback. Rather than going to the aggressive manner, we can go with the assertive manners. Third point, specify the things. So here what we will say, what you would like to see and what other option does the person have. This should close tomorrow, any delay please inform me. So you guys can see the second line in all the particular points. These are some examples actually. Okay, so specify that if you find this particular issue wherein you did not apologize, you need to consider, you need to keep yourself in place of customer. You need to think, if that delay happens, what will be the impact to me. So in this way we will guide the associate and we will close our feedback. Same, if I'm giving any feedback to QA or team lead is giving to the associate, I'll tell them this should get closed by tomorrow, and if any delay happens, please inform me. That's not an issue. So I will try to give him a feedback such a way so that they can understand that the importance of that particular work. Now finally, outcome. This will be impact on your assignment and suggestions. This will help us plan and achieve the next month target better. So if we give feedback in such a way, the quality will understand, the analyst will understand that his team lead is supporting to him, and your suggestion will get the outcome as your assessment will get completed. So same, if you give the feedback in such a manner, in an assertive manner, the associate will think that yes, my team leader, my quality analyst is supporting me. Definitely in upcoming days or in upcoming month you will get a better outcome. So this is all about DESO guys, and I hope you guys will use this particular manner in order to avoid the aggressive feedback. And guys, listen one thing very carefully. Feedback whatever you give to the associate or a QA, that will directly impact on his particular behavior as well. So the feedback, the way how you communicate with the other person, the same result you will get by the end of the day. So thanks a lot guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys got a clear understanding on it. So please share, subscribe the channel, give your feedback, give your comments guys if you like this video, and also go to the Facebook page, our Instagram page, and you can go also on our LinkedIn page. Please subscribe and share that, and please follow us so that you guys can get the details on the upcoming videos as well as the job notifications. Thank you so much guys, thanks for watching, have a great day.